Question number 9. The area of the curved surface of a cylinder is 4400 centimeter square and the circumference of its base is 110 centimeter. Find the height of cylinder and the volume of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 4400 centimeter square. Circumference is equal to 110 centimeter. Circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 110, which implies r is equal to 110 upon 2 pi. Radius is equal to 110 upon 2 into 22 divided by 7. That is 110 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 1s are 2, 55 2s are 110. 11 2s are 22 and 11 5s are 55, which implies r is equal to 7 5s are 35 upon 2 centimeter. And curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, that is 4400. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 35 upon 2 into h, that is equal to 4400. 7 5s are 35, 2 is cancelled, and h is equal to 4400 divided by 22 into 5. 22 2s are 4400. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. First part, height of cylinder equal to 40 centimeter. Answer. And volume of cylinder. Second part, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which implies 22 upon 7 into radius is 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2 multiplied by height is 40. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. 2 1s are 2, 22s are 40, which implies 11 into 5 into 35 into 20 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder is equal to 55 into 5 2s are 10 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 centimeter cube, which implies volume equal to 7 5 are 35, 3 carry 20 as it is, 7 5 are 35, 3 carry 7 5 are 35 plus 3 38 centimeter cube. Answer. Given curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 4400 centimeter square and circumference of base is 110 centimeter. Circumference is 2 pi r, that is equal to 110. Radius is equal to 110 upon 2 pi, and radius is equal to 110 upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7. 7 multiplied by numerator, and we get 110 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 1s are 2, 55 2s are 110, and 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22. Then 7 5s are 35 upon 2 centimeter. Radius is equal to 35 upon 2 centimeter. Curved surface area of cylinder is 4400 centimeter square. Curved surface area equal to 2 pi rh equal to 4400. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35 upon 2. Radius into h equal to 4400. 2 is cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Then h is equal to 4400 upon 22 into 5. 22 2s are 44 and 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 40, 5s are 200. Height of cylinder is equal to 40 centimeter. Answer, first part. And second part, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2 multiplied by 40. 7 5s are 35, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 22s are 40. 11 5s are 11 into 5, that is 55 into 35 into 20. 35 2s are 70. 10 we get 700. 700 multiplied by 55, and we get 38,500 centimeter cube. Answer. Thank you.